Hey guys, today I'm going to take you through my wash day. So first, in the shower, which I'm not going to show you on this video, to wash with the Miribel Naturals Creamy Hair Cleanser. The Miribel Naturals Creamy Hair Cleanser, it's kind of a cross between a co-wash and a low poo, and it's great for me personally because my hair and scalp tend to, well, especially my hair tends to get very dry. So this creamy hair cleanser is, like I said, a cross between a co-wash and a low poo. It has a balanced pH, and it doesn't have any surfactants. It cleans very gently with apple cider vinegar and tea tree oil. It's great if you have like any inflammation. I feel like as a curly girl, like I go 5 days without washing my hair. And in that time, like sometimes my scalp gets a little inflamed, it gets a little itchy because like it needs to be washed. So this is great for soothing that also because it's made with peppermint oil and turmeric and anti-inflammatory and anti-itch ingredients. And it like has little jojoba beads in it. So it does a really great job of also scrubbing. So you can see it's creamy. Then after that in the shower, I'm gonna follow the Miribel Naturals Powerhouse Protein Cream. So this is like a protein packed cream that you can use as a conditioner, you can water down and use it as a leave-in. It depends on it depends on how much your hair likes protein. I will say this is the only protein heavy product I've ever been able to use that doesn't turn my hair into straw. If your hair is damaged, this will be great for helping bring some life and bounce back to your curls. And then of course, if your hair loves protein, if it's color treated, fine hair usually does really well with protein. Any kind of hair that needs like strength and structure to help give it bounce if your hair's feeling limp or lifeless, this product would be for you. Okay, so I'm gonna go shower and do those two things, and then I will come back to style my hair with you guys. So be right back. Don't go anywhere. Hey everyone, I'm back. So I washed my hair in the shower with the Miribel Naturals Creamy Hair Cleanser and then used the Miribel Naturals Powerhouse Protein Cream. So first up is the Miribel Naturals Dreamy Hair Cream. So this is a highly moisturizing cream that can be used again as a leave-in conditioner, which is how I'm going to use it, or a rinse out conditioner. So, and then this has ingredients like aloe vera juice, shea butter, castor seed oil, jojoba seed oil, chia seed oil. I'm like makeshift parting my hair into 3 sections. So my hair's parted on the side. So I've got the left, the back, and then the right / top layer, the crown. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm applying this to my hair while it's still soaking wet. And just raking it through. A little more for the back actually. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with the Miribel Naturals Silky Smooth Flaxseed Gel. And this is a true flaxseed gel, so the flaxseed extract, aka gel, aloe juice, and vitamin E. Like, it's super simple. So I'm gonna take a little bit. And just gonna go over everything. And this is like, so this gel is more of like a light to medium hold. It's a medium hold for me, but it depends on your hair. Like, I've had some people say that it was a light hold for them. But either way, whether or not this is like too light of a hold, if you need to layer another like foam or gel over it, it's such a good curl enhancer. Like, look at these bad boys. So, anywho, I didn't even scrunch on this side, did I? Okay, I'll just like separate these layers a little bit because I don't want a flat head. Okay. I don't know. I might diffuse a little bit to just speed up this drying process. I'll let you know what I do when I come back. Okay, see you soon. Don't go anywhere. Guys, so here I am. I wound up just air drying my hair. Kind of micro-plopped with a t-shirt for a little bit, which means I just kind of scrunched out some of the excess moisture and product into a t-shirt, and then I just let it air dry because, like I said, it is summer. So my toddler's been playing with my hair a little bit, and you know, I definitely don't stop living in an effort to preserve my hair. I'm gonna wash it again in a couple days, or wet it at least in a couple days. But this is it. I've been, you know, here it is in all its glory. So there you have it. So I guess comment below if you have any questions about curly natural hair care. Let me know if you've ever used any of the Miribel products, and make sure you follow along so that you see all my content in my face popping up on your feed all the time. Okay, so that's about it. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.